Hi, I'm Brandon Naidu. I'm a criminal lawyer here in San Diego, California. Want to talk about carrying a firearm through airport security. Unfortunately, this is a common occurrence. It is a crime that is often charged, especially here in San Diego. As we've talked about in previous videos, California is not friendly at all to gun ownership, even lawful gun ownership, possession of firearms. If California had it their way, they would remove all firearms. However, they can't because of the Constitution. So what they are doing is they are enforcing every gun law applicable to try to strip gun ownership. And what we see very often is folks who are being arrested and charged with carrying a firearm through airport security. What typically happens is we have an out-of-state client who visits San Diego. They typically drive over or they fly over, they check their firearm. A lot of times they're here for conventions. Maybe they're here for some hunting out in the desert with friends. And then when they go back through security, they forget to remove their firearms from their carry-on luggage. They haven't properly checked it through TSA, through security, and they're inevitably discovered at the TSA screening checkpoint. And they are cited typically with a misdemeanor, depending on the nature of the gun, depending on the interaction. This is a very common occurrence. This is a very serious crime. However, it doesn't have to end badly for our clients. Typically, most of the time, our clients are law-abiding, responsible gun owners. They have simply made an absent-minded mistake. We've had several clients make this mistake. They were cooperative with law enforcement. There was no threats of violence. Most of the times the gun was not loaded. And as a result, we've been able to negotiate with the prosecution, explain the circumstances, demonstrate our clients' lack of criminal history, what type of work they do, provide a reasonable explanation. And typically with some gun safety classes, we can put solutions like diversion on the table, which affords our client the ability to move past this case and avoid any criminal conviction altogether. So if you have been charged with carrying a loaded firearm through airport security, please give us a call here in San Diego, 619-577-0868.